Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share a new collection by Lori Whitlock, Made with Love. Lori has designed a very cute gable box that has an easy opening at the top, so it's perfect for having favors or treats in. But she's included elements to dress up the gable box like a little home. So you have a door, a picket fence, a window, the roof elements. This is the base die that you're going to use all your other die sets with to embellish for the rest of the season. So moving on, we can see that she's designed a set that has all the elements you need to decorate for Halloween. There's a cat, a pumpkin, and a ghost. There's also a supporting tree that has all the elements you need to decorate for all of the seasons. It even has a little stand on here, so you can stand it up to stand up right next to your house. This would go with the Halloween one, of course. And we can move on to see that we have a Valentine's Day version with a cute little love bee. Look at this cute little mailbox with a love letter inside of it. This would be our summertime box. We have a kite that's got stuck on our chimney, and our cute little tree here with flowers, birds, and apples. This is our springtime box, our little Easter bunny, some birds in the trees, and look how cute the little tree embellishment is with all the butterflies on the branches. And finally, my favorite one where we've decorated for Christmas. We have Santa Claus on our roof, we have our Christmas tree, we have our icicles on our roof edge, and we have our tree decorated with ornaments and snowflakes. So this is the perfect gable box with all of the die sets you need to embellish for all season long by Lori Whitlock.